Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got my second Sephora beauty advent calendar to share with you. The first one I posted on my channel a couple of weeks ago, and that is Sephora Favourites, full of amazing multi-branded products. And they've also brought out their very own branded advent calendars. So you've got the Sephora Collection, which costs £54.99. Then you've got the Premium Sephora Collection, which costs £89.99, and it has a value of £235. If you're interested in any of these advent calendars for yourself, then you'll find a link to them down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. If you shop often on the website, I do have a code which will entitle you to have 20% off almost everything except for these advent calendars, unfortunately, and it is Beauty Geek SPH. What I love about this one so far is that it comes in a reusable tin, so I'm thinking baking, makeup, I don't know, what would you use a tin for? Biscuits. Oh look, it's all pink inside as well, and in there. So are they all numbered, or do you just grab them? Yeah, they are. This is the first time obviously I'm seeing it, so all these little boxes here are numbered. How am I going to find the numbers? They're a bit all over the place. It's a 24-day advent calendar. They have got some exclusives in here as well. I uploaded last week a Sephora Collection Christmas gifting video, which I'm really grateful for because I was able to collaborate with Sephora on that, and it gives me a chance to use some of their own branded products. I absolutely love the Sephora Collection lip stains. They are amazing. They're really, really good. And I've tried some of the skincare as well. Again, really good. I've rearranged them all so I can easily find the numbers I want. So starting off then with day number 1. This is Soft Matte and Easy in Laid Back. There, you've seen it before me. What's it like? Oh, I like that colour. It's a really nice nude. It's slightly pinky nude. I really, really like that. So happy with that. It's a little bit of a stain. I just tried getting that off and it's just left a little bit of a stain there. Right, day number 2. Yeah. Micellar Cleansing Water with probiotics and niacinamide. And there's 50 ml there. To protect and strengthen the skin barrier. And it's for all skin types, even sensitive. So there's that. Day number 3. Over here. And we got a sponge. Beauty blending sponge. Ooh, this looks actually like a sponge I normally love. Have you heard of Nancy? They do the most amazing beauty blending sponges, and they look exactly like that. So very similar design. I like it because I can just tap on like that. Just grab it and tap it. I haven't used a Sephora one though. Don't know what that's like. But day number 4. Give me some ideas of what I can do with this tin afterwards. Could line it and put biscuits in it. Actually, the reason why biscuits is on my brain is because my daughter's just made apple crumble biscuits. Oh, they're so nice. I was out earlier on. I came back and I could smell them, and I just had one, and I think that's why I'm just thinking food in there. But we'll see. So we've got I'm showing you first. I haven't read it yet. This is a clean skin gel to cleanse and tone for face, neck and eyes. It's unscented, 98% ingredients from natural origin, and it contains prebiotics, and 30 ml there. 95%. Found skin was clearer. Day number 5. Ooh, I thought this was a straw. It's not. It's a makeup brush. We got number 8 eyeshadow, which is nice for doing like crease colours and tapping on the eyelids. Yeah, always a handy brush to have. Now I think this is 6, or it could be 9, but I'm saying it's a 6. This looks pretty. It just says Sephora 02 on the bottom. I'm assuming it's a lipstick, like a nudie colour lipstick. Oh yeah, that's really pretty as well. So it's a tinted gloss. I really, really like that. That would be nice to use with the matte lipstick that I showed. I think that was day number 1, wasn't it? And then just a little bit of that on top. Yeah, I really like that. That's the design of it. So it's shade number 2, whatever the name of the lip gloss is. Day number 7. We've got a polish. This is Cocoa Cuddle. This is a brown shade. I can't tell if it's shimmery or anything. No, I don't think it is. I think it's completely matte, isn't it? I like the design. It's super cute. It's really small. Nail polish there. Oh, I think that was 7, wasn't it? Yeah, day number 8. And we got a mask. And this is for your hands. Oh, I love this. We see a lot of sheet masks in different advent calendars. This is Nourishing and Comforting with wild mango butter. I love foot masks as well. So yeah. So something for your hands. I really need it. I've got fake nails on, as in stick on, and they do a hell of a lot more damage than my gel nails that I have done in a salon. I think it's because I use glue to apply them, so it dries out all my cuticles, and then I pick and then I get sores. Yeah, not great at all. I cannot wait until I can get my nails done properly in a salon again. What have we got here? This is a mascara. Shape and Set Brow Gel. So it's a clear brow gel. I like the wand. That's really nice. Nice small one. Yeah, I look forward to trying that. See how strong that is in holding my brows in place. Day number 10. And I've got an all-day hydrator to hydrate and glow. And it contains hyaluronic acid. So this is a moisturiser. I received this, and I believe the cleanser as well we had earlier on in one of the Christmas gift sets that I unboxed a few days ago. Use AM and PM, can also be used as a makeup primer, and there's 30 mils there. Day number 11. We got a gingerbread fragrance lip sleeping mask. I also had a gingerbread gift set which had a shower gel, a body lotion and a fragrance mist and something else as well. I think it was a body scrub in this fragrance. It's a limited edition fragrance. I think it's just been produced for Sephora this year. If you love a gingerbread latte type scent. Oh, actually no, it doesn't smell of coffee, but it's a nice sweet gingerbread. Imagine a cake then, not a latte. Imagine a gingerbread cake, a cupcake with icing. That's what it smells like. You can't see anything, it's just a balm, a clear balm. Day number 12. And we've got a 24-hour retractable eyeliner in matte black. We've got the eyeliner. There. And then on the other end, hopefully you can see there, you got a little sharpener end, and it's really tiny. You got a little smudger as well. So you've got a sharpener and a smudger. And I forgot to say as well that it's actually waterproof. So that's handy. Day number 13. And we got a mascara. Love that Lift mascara in ultra black. And we had this one in one of the gift sets as well that I unboxed the other day. The wand is curvy and quite slim. Yeah. Can you see? So yes, it should be a good one to lift and lengthen. Day number 14. And what is this? Something furry. This is really cute. It's a little pom-pom. And you can either attach it to your bag and stick that to your phone case. It's like a key ring then. Okay, day number 15. We've got another nail polish, but this is a top coat. 10mm top coat. It says Shine and Wear Brilliance. There you go. So a nice top coat. Day number 16. And we've got something else that's furry. What on earth is it? Huh? Look, it's a hair bubble. This is, yeah, quite cute. Not for me, actually. I wouldn't wear this myself. Yeah, it's not really my style. Looks like, a bit like a hamster. I can't imagine me wearing it. How would you wear it? On top there? I don't know. But, yeah, I'll see if I can pass that on. Day number 17. We've got a sheet mask, and this is Glow Booster Mask. It's brightening vitamin C and orange extract. Oh, it's going to smell amazing, isn't it? So it's a 2-piece mask there. So to brighten and glow your skin. What are we on? Day number 18. we've got lip butter. This is vanilla 12-hour hydration. Love the little pot. I like that. Yeah, it's got a nice subtle vanilla smell. I'll actually keep this one for one of my boys. I've got 2 sons and they both suffer really badly with dry lips. So yeah, I tend to keep a lot of stuff for them. Day number 19. We've got a gentle peeling serum and it's 5% niacinamide and lactic acid. There is 30 mils there. Every PM on clean, dry skin and neck. And that is it. Yeah, I'm going to have to read up on that to see how often I'm supposed to use it. It's a gentle exfoliating serum. I like the fact it's got niacinamide in it as well. But yeah, I need to know a bit more. What day are we? Number 20. Gosh, 20, yes. Oh, interesting. What is this? Make it glow. 10 mils. Sunset Shine Shimmer. So this must be like a blush highlighter type product. There. Oh, it's nice. It's very liquidy. It feels really nice. It feels like a serum actually on the skin. You're getting a proper look first before me. But how shimmery is it? Oh, it's very shimmery. It is very, very shimmery. Yeah, it's a little bit too shimmery for me. It feels really nice, but it's just a little bit over the top for me. Unless I maybe added just a tiny bit, just like instead of like a big dollop that I've just showed you, maybe just like a tiny bit and tap it on my cheeks there. It's really pretty. I do really like it, but it's a little bit too much than what I normally go for. I'll have to experiment and try it out. Day 21. Oh, I also had this in one of the beauty boxes as well. And this is a brightening eye cream with hyaluronic acid. And there's 20 mils there. I think I said in the video as well that I thought this was like a clay mask. It's just because it's grey. That's all. But no, it's an eye mask or an eye cream with hyaluronic acid in there. Then day 22. And this is wrapped up as well. Have we got a palette here? We've got a colour shifter. Strange Botanicals. It's an eye palette. 5 eyeshadows. So you've got a mirror there. And oh, wow. There is a stunning turquoisey blue colour. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that bluey turquoise is stunning. Definitely a colour shifter. So it goes onto my hand, so you might be able to see brown, but then you can see greens, like peacock colours, you know, on purples and blues. But it's ultimately a brown. I love that. Oh, that gold is really nice as well. Well, the quality is really great. I don't think I've ever tried their eyeshadows before. Sephora Collection eyeshadows. I don't think so. That mustardy brown one at the top. That's not too bad actually. That'd be quite a nice transition colour. But I love that bronzy one as well. And you're not going to be able to see the palest one. It's down there. But yeah, the colours are nice. And they feel nice on the skin. Strange Botanicals, a colour shifter eye palette. 2 more to go. Day number 23. And we've got a setting spray. Makeup setting spray, 12-hour wear, transfer proof, dewy finish and a vitamin C. And there is 40 mils there. What's that say? Glow, I think, doesn't it? Oh, I love spray. So it's a lightweight mist. Let's check it out. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely lightweight. It's not going to wreck your makeup. I love a dewy finish setting spray and the fact it's got vitamin C in there as well. Yeah, I really like that. And then lastly, day number 24. The last one in the advent calendar. What have we got? Wow, this is stunning. It is a shocker. It is quite a shocker, but it is beautiful. It's a blush. Look at that colour. Let me open it up and show you. So this is Colourful Blush in Tropical Dawn. There, look at that. That is so pretty. Yeah, my skin tone. I would need a tiny bit. Although it's really pretty though, I've just blended it all out. I think I would more likely use that as a really cool eyeshadow. It's really nice. I love the shimmer in it as well, the goldy shimmer. But I'm not sure if it's a little bit too much for me. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to have to play around and see. But no, I can't resist the echo in this tin. So there you go. Those are all the items in the deluxe, no, not deluxe, premium Sephora collection, Sephora's own branded beauty advent calendar. It costs £89.99 and it has a value of £235. A mix of skincare and makeup and some accessories as well. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that hair clip, considering that Sephora collection is not aimed at like teenagers or anything. I just feel that that hair clip is a little bit out of it. Or is it because I am a lady of a certain age? Maybe. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you gone on and bought one for yourself? Or are you watching this thinking, you're not sure or it's not for you? Regardless of what your thoughts are, I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.